Well, you want to know how to blow up a lawnmower motor? Well, I'll show you. Step 1, grab a dumbass. Dink! Step 2, go outside and get your piece of shit mower. Step 4, just don't give a fuck about nothing. Step 5, start running around with the bitch. That's slow. I'm gonna show them how it's done. Step 6, put it up against the wall and keep hitting it. Well, that's how you do it, kids. Don't try that at home. It's fucking done. There you have it, folks. That's how you just blow up the motor on your lawnmower if you don't like it anymore. Fuck that piece of shit. Step 3, I forgot. Just have fun.